Hello everyone, I am Mohit from GTC Tohana. As you know, we have uploaded two videos of different topics. First is addition of two numbers and second is number system. I hope you can understand the concepts of number system and as well as addition of two numbers. Now I am coming with a very vast topic, that is perimeter, and after that I will teach you the area of a given figure. Let us start with perimeter. What is perimeter? In basic term, perimeter is the boundary of that figure. अगर हम कोई भी फिगर बनाते हैं, let us suppose we have a triangle. We have a triangle. Let us suppose this is a triangle. This is a triangle. So if you have to find the perimeter of this figure, of this triangle, then this, let us suppose this side is A, this side is B, this side is C. Then perimeter of this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Let us suppose you have to find the perimeter of this triangle. Then the perimeter is simply A plus B plus C. Just simply you have to add these three sides. You will get the perimeter of triangle. Let us suppose this value is 5 centimeters, this value is 5 centimeter, and this value is 3 centimeters. This will be given in your question. Now you have to find the perimeter of this triangle. Then how to find? Now you have to write perimeter of triangle. Let us suppose this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Now you have to just add on these sides. 5 plus 5 plus 6, that is equal to 16 centimeter. And listen, you have to write the unit. If you don't write the unit, then it doesn't have any sense. So आपको unit जरूर लिखनी है. If the side is given in centimeters, then the perimeter is in centimeters. Side is given in meters, then you have to write it as 16 meter. Right? Now our second figure is rectangle. This is a rectangle. Now we know this is length of a rectangle and this is breadth of a rectangle. Now this is length and we know opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. This is L, then this is L. This is B, this is also B. Then perimeter of rectangle, let us suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Now perimeter of rectangle. Just simply add on these sides. L plus B plus L plus B. L plus L, this is 2L. B plus B, this is 2B. Now you have to common out 2L plus B. This is the basic formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. If you find the perimeter of a rectangle, then you need to have length and breadth. तो आपको क्या करना है? 2 then L plus B. फर्स्ट आपको ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करना है, उसके बाद क्या करना है? उसका ट्वाइस कर देना है आपको. This will be the perimeter of rectangle. Now we have our third figure, that is square. That is square. We know square is that figure in which all the sides are equal. Now let us suppose this side is A. Then this is also A, this is also A, this is also A. Now you have the length of all the four sides. You have to find the perimeter. Simply add on these four sides, you will get the perimeter of square. Then perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. That is equal to A plus A plus A plus A equal to 4 into A. That is equal to 4 into side. If you know the value of one side of a square, then you have to just multiply it by 4, then you will get the perimeter of square. There is only one difference between rectangle and square. Rectangle in which opposite sides are equal. This is L, this is L. This is B, this is B. But in square you have all the sides are equal. So आपको क्या करना है? Just A को किससे multiply करना है? 4 से करना है. तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? Perimeter of square. And in rectangle just 2 then L plus B. जैसे आपको क्या करना है? लेंथ और ब्रेथ को प्लस करना है पहले, उसके बाद क्या करना है, 2 से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है। इन रेक्टेंगल just add a plus b plus c. 3 formulas of a perimeter of a given figure, that is triangle, rectangle and square. So I hope आपको ये समझ आएगा students. Now I am teaching you area of different figures. Let us suppose triangle, right angle triangle. If you have to find the area of right angle triangle, let us suppose this is a triangle. This is a triangle. Now what is the basic meaning of area? Basic meaning क्या होता है बेटा एरिया का? वो क्या होगा, this part उस फिगर ने कितना एरिया वहां पे ऑक्यूपाई किया हुआ है उसको बोलते हैं, that is area. अब देखो जैसे पेरीमीटर और एरिया में क्या डिफरेंस है. पेरीमीटर इज सिंपली द बाउंड्री एंड द रीजन विच द बाउंड्री एनक्लोज्ड, जो बाउंड्री ने जो रीजन को एनक्लोज किया है, जो रीजन को घेरा हुआ है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, एरिया. लेट अस सपोज दिस इज हाइट ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल एंड दिस इज बेस ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. लेट अस सपोज दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, दिस इज सी, देन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल, दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, that is equal to half into base into height. This is the basic formula of how to find a area of a given triangle. This is half, base is b and this is h. This is the formula of area of triangle. Right? Now we have, this is what? This is rectangle. Now we have rectangle. We need to find the area of this rectangle. This part, we have to find the value of this part. Then area of rectangle is ABCD. This is ABCD. Now area of rectangle is L length and B breadth. Area of triangle is L multiply B. This is the basic formula of area of rectangle. अगर आपको एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल निकालना हो तो आपको लेंथ पता होना चाहिए और ब्रेथ पता होना चाहिए. अगर हम सिंपली उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो वो क्या आ जाएगा, एरिया. एंड यूनिट ऑफ एरिया इज इफ साइड इज गिवन इन सेंटीमीटर देन इट इज सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, इफ गिवन इन मीटर देन इट इज मीटर स्क्वायर. एंड व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ पेरीमीटर, दैट इज इक्वल टू क्या, सेंटीमीटर एंड meter. This is the unit of perimeter, right? So I taught you area of triangle and area of rectangle. Area of triangle is half into base into height and area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now we have our third figure. Third figure is square. How to find the area of square? Now area of square is simply, as in rectangle we multiply length into breadth, similar we multiply a into a. If we multiply a into a, we get the area of square, that is equal to a square, that is equal to side whole square. If we multiply side by side, multiply side 2 times, then we get area of square. Area of square is side square. And area of rectangle, length into breadth, and area of triangle, half into base into height. These 3 formulas are the basic formulas of these 3 basic figures: area of square, area of rectangle, area of triangle. Right? So I hope you can understand my language and the concept of area and perimeter. It's very easy. If you understand these figures and the sides, what the value of the sides are given in the question, then you can easily calculate area, perimeter. And note down one thing, unit of perimeter is centimeter and area is centimeter square. Answer would be in centimeter square or meter square, and while in perimeter the answer would be in centimeter and meter. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video. Must share this video and subscribe our channel GTC Tohana. Thank you so much.